This is it. This is my most popular recipe I've ever made. It's my firecracker salmon with sesame soy dipping sauce. It has millions of views on all my socials, and it's the #1 recipe my followers have made over and over. What's funny was this recipe was just me finding a way to use my leftover salmon for a late night snack. I literally just rummaged my pantry and grabbed rice paper and found a half-eaten avocado in the fridge left over from my avocado toast that morning. And I don't know if I was hungry or just eating late night just hits different because it was so good. It also could have been the edible. Who knows? Anyways, I came up with the name Firecracker Salmon because Cheesecake Factory had a salmon egg roll called Firecracker Salmon before, and I had similar ingredients. So I recreated it for my followers and added jalapeño to justify the fire in the firecracker name, and that is how my super viral Firecracker Salmon recipe came to life. It was just late night munchies. Maybe I should just recipe test after edibles more often.